I walked a road so dark and cold. My heart was heavy, my soul felt old. Then a voice called out through the night, Jesus Christ, the great I am, my guiding light. Oh, Jesus Christ, the great I am, you hold the world within your hands. From the valleys low to the mountains grand, I stand in awe of your holy plan. The storms may rage, the winds may roar, but in your grace I'm forever sure. Your love unshaken, your truth remains. Jesus Christ, the great I am, forever reigns. Oh, Jesus Christ, the great chains are broken, lives are healed. In your presence, wounds are sealed.